In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Microsoft Teams. This is a great feature to customize your experience and make Teams work better for you. Whether you prefer a light or dark theme, or want Teams to match your operating system settings, it's all easy to modify with just a few clicks. First things first, make sure you're logged into Microsoft Teams. If you aren't, go ahead and do that now. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Teams interface, showcasing your recent activity, chats, calendar, and more. At the top right corner of your screen, you should see a series of icons. Among them, there's an icon with 3 dots, known as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on this icon. It's a gateway to a variety of settings and preferences that you can adjust. After clicking on the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option labelled Settings. Clicking on Settings will open up a new window that contains multiple categories along the side. These categories offer different ways to personalize your team's experience, so you might want to explore them later for other customization options. For our purpose today, direct your attention to the menu on the left and find the Appearance section. Click on it and you'll be greeted with several options related to how Teams looks. This section is where you get to decide whether you want to adopt a light theme, a dark theme, or one that syncs with your operating system's theme. Now you'll be presented with choices. The default selection is often to follow the operating system theme, meaning it will change according to the system settings you've set up on your device. If you enjoy consistency and find it convenient to have all your applications look the same across the board, this option is perfect for you. However, if you'd like to manually choose your theme within Teams, you can still do so. Consider selecting the dark theme if you prefer working in low light or at night, as it reduces the glare from the screen and can be easier on your eyes. Simply click on dark and instantly your Teams interface will switch to a darker, sleeker look. And there you have it, you've just changed your theme in Microsoft Teams, aligning it with your personal preference. Returning to your main interface, you should now see the changes reflected. Remember, you can switch back anytime by revisiting the settings. Having this level of customization can make a big difference in how comfortable and efficient your digital workspace feels. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore the other settings in Microsoft Teams and make your work environment as comfortable and personalized as possible. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.